Hello viewer, and welcome back to Ajayastro Guru. I am Neena, and today we are diving into a crucial development impacting global commodity markets, specifically the yellow pea sector. China has announced significant retaliatory tariffs on Canadian agricultural products, and the implications are far-reaching. Let's break down the key points. China is imposing a 100% tariff on Canadian peas, effective March 20th. This move is a direct response to Canada's recent tariffs on Chinese electric vehicles, steel, and aluminum. Essentially, it's a trade dispute escalating. Now, why is this significant for the pea market? Canada is a major player, supplying over 1 million metric tons of peas to China in the last season, representing almost half of China's total pea imports. Adding to the pressure, India has already banned yellow pea imports. So, with two major buyers out of the picture, Canadian exporters are facing a serious challenge. This could lead to a surplus of peas, potentially driving prices down globally. To put it in perspective, in the 2023-24 season, Canada's pea exports to China were 1.02 million metric tons, which is 44.6% of China's total pea imports. This is a very large percentage. It's important to note that while peas are heavily impacted, canola seeds are not. China remains a significant buyer of Canadian canola seeds, importing a substantial amount, valued at billions of Canadian dollars. The new tariffs do include canola oil, but the trade volume there is minimal, so the impact is expected to be small. However, the 100% duty on rapeseed oil and oil cakes, along with the 25% tariff on pork and aquatic products, does add to the ongoing trade tensions. Essentially, we're seeing a continuation of the global trade disputes, with countries like the US, China, Canada, and Mexico all involved in various tariff impositions. For Canadian pea exporters, the focus now shifts to finding alternative markets. This may involve selling at discounted prices, which will likely increase volatility in the global pulse markets. What does this mean for US traders and investors? Keep a close eye on global pea prices. Expect potential fluctuations and be prepared for increased market volatility. The situation is dynamic, and any further developments could have significant impacts. Thank you for watching Ajayastro Guru. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more commodity market updates and analysis. Remember to turn on notifications so you don't miss our latest videos. Stay tuned for more insights, and until next time, trade wisely.